Give me another one besides fire.
Sewer cleaner.
Sewage workers. Sewage workers.
Thanks, Rich.
Need you.
Hey, Paul, can you kick on the pump? Paul, kick on.
Hold on there, Junior.
Yeah.
Before we get that going, I'm going bare-fisted.
Stripping off the latex
I'm
gloves.
taking it off.
I didn't know you needed a razor to take off a latex glove.
Shut up, Junior!
You smacked me right in the face.
Okay, this is what a man does. He plunges his hands into shit.
I'll try that, but I'm gonna keep my gloves on.
My pile's a bit noisier than yours.
Okay, enough with the monkeying around. We gotta clean this shit up.
All right.
I'm gonna, since you got issues with your generator, I'm gonna kick on mine.
Okay, you go ahead.
I'm sucking some shit now.
None of the electricity's working over here for me, so I'm going to hook mine up to an old-fashioned bellows, like one of them pumps you move up and down with your knee.